everybody, welcome to my channel, and as you guys read the name of this video, it is the Q&A. So a lot of you guys always are asking lots of questions, and I try to answer them for you guys all the time, but sometimes some questions are hard to just type it up, and I'd rather just write it or show you guys. So what I'm doing right now is I want you guys to ask questions. If you have questions for Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or the coupons.com or coupons in general, I will be doing, I know for sure I'm doing the coupons video for sure. But let me know what coupon or what questions you guys have. Now, when you guys do make questions, please specify what stores. If you guys have like one question for CVS, write it down. If you guys have another question for Walgreens, comment below. But make sure you guys specify for what place you guys have a question on, because I will be reading these comments when I do these videos. So I wanted to share with you guys on that, but I'm here to help you guys have any questions, and it's a lot easier to explain it when I can make a video. Now I probably will start getting your questions over the next couple days, and then I'll be making videos. I would do a live video, but not everybody is available to watch my live videos when I do them. So I thought, you know what, then you guys have time to catch up. Write your questions, and I can try to get some answers for you. So, again, just let me know what you guys want. So, like, if you guys want to write in the comments below, just write Target, ... or whatever, and then write your question. If you guys have another question for Walmart, write Walmart, ... But I really want to explain things for you guys. I really want to answer your questions, and I feel this is the best way to do it. But I really want to start like helping you guys understand things. A lot of you guys are newbies. A lot of you guys, you know, it's hard to understand things, but I'm just here to help you guys. I want to help everyone. So make sure you guys do that. Or if you have any other questions for other things, please let me know. I'm going to probably make more updated videos for other things, but please let me know so I can, you know, help you guys out, or just anything in general. I might make a general Q&A thing too. So if you guys just have a general question, you can write that down too. I might just make a general video, but I just wanted to share with you guys some ideas that I have in my head so I can share with you guys. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have lots of questions for me. Bye-bye.